Looking for an SUV with reliability, performance, and value? Japanese SUVs have you covered. Let's dive into what makes them stand out. Number 6. Subaru Forester. Subaru's reputation for dependability, a crucial feature that has characterized the company throughout the years, is upheld by the 2025 Subaru Forester. The Forester continues to be a powerful illustration of Subaru's dedication to long-lasting engineering and safety, with very few versions ever experiencing reliability issues. The 2025 Forester is built on the sturdy Subaru Global platform and offers enhanced torsional stiffness and structural integrity for a more steady and calm ride, especially on difficult terrain. It has a 2.5-liter boxer engine that generates 180 horsepower and is mated to an advanced, continuously variable gearbox. Although it isn't the most potent in its class, it performs well enough for regular use. As a standard feature, Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system improves control and grip, making the Forester especially useful in difficult road and weather situations. In order to help avoid or lessen crashes, the car is also outfitted with cutting-edge safety features including adaptive cruise control, automated emergency braking, and lane-keeping assistance. The Forester's capabilities over a variety of terrains is further enhanced by its X mode, which enhances handling on hazardous or steep situations. Number 5. Toyota 4Runner. It's impossible to talk about the most dependable SUVs without highlighting some of Japan's finest, and that's where we begin. Meet the Toyota 4Runner, a rugged SUV from a brand globally respected for its exceptional reliability across every category. The 4Runner comes with two engine choices: the standard I-Force, producing 278 horsepower and 317 pound-foot of torque, and the more powerful I-Force Max, which delivers 326 horsepower and 465 pound-foot of torque. Since its debut in the 1980s, the 4Runner has earned consistent praise from both owners and automotive experts. J.D. Power gives it a strong reliability rating of 86 out of 100 based on extensive owner feedback, well above the industry average. But the 4Runner's reputation goes beyond just numbers. While it's built for off-road adventures, highway driving, and city streets, it's also trusted by military and security forces around the world. If this SUV can perform reliably in some of the most demanding and dangerous environments on the planet, it's more than capable of handling your daily commute with confidence. Number 4. Toyota Crown Signia. The 2025 Toyota Crown Signia is a refined addition to Toyota's lineup, blending SUV capability with wagon-like practicality. With a starting price of approximately $45,000, it stands out as a premium yet efficient offering in the hybrid crossover segment. Toyota has engineered the Crown Signia with a focus on durability, fuel efficiency, and all-weather capability, making it a well-rounded option for buyers seeking both performance and long-term reliability. Under the hood, the Crown Signia is powered by a 2.5-liter inline-4 hybrid engine that produces 240 horsepower. This powertrain is paired with Toyota's electronic, continuously variable transmission, optimizing both performance and fuel economy. The Crown Signia comes standard with an all-wheel drive system, providing enhanced traction and stability in various road conditions. Toyota estimates that this model achieves around 39 miles per gallon combined, which is highly efficient for a vehicle of its size and class. Inside, the Crown Signia offers a spacious 5-seater cabin with premium materials and modern styling. The well-designed interior provides a comfortable ride, with supportive seats and high-quality finishes that elevate the driving experience. Toyota has equipped the Crown Signia with the latest technology, including a large infotainment touchscreen, wireless smartphone connectivity, and advanced driver assistance features. The model lineup consists of two trims, XLE and Limited. The XLE trim is expected to be the most popular, offering a balance of affordability and premium features. Meanwhile, the Limited trim adds more luxury elements including additional driver aids and higher-end materials. Number 3. Toyota Highlander. The 2025 Toyota Highlander remains a top choice in the mid-size SUV market, offering a blend of reliability, versatility, and efficiency. Known for its durability, the Highlander is built to last, with many owners keeping their vehicles well over 100,000 miles due to its robust engineering and low maintenance. The 2025 model keeps its bold design while adding updated technology and safety features. Toyota has ensured the Highlander remains easy to maneuver despite its size, making it a great family vehicle. Powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing 265 horsepower, the Highlander strikes a balance between power and efficiency. The hybrid version, combining a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with electric motors, offers up to 36 miles per gallon combined. Inside, the Highlander offers a spacious cabin with 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers. The cabin features modern technology, including an available 12.3-inch touchscreen and standard Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus with advanced driver assistance features. With its proven reliability, roomy interior, and strong fuel efficiency, the 2025 Toyota Highlander is an excellent choice for those seeking a dependable and comfortable mid-size SUV. Number 2. Honda CR-V. The 2025 Honda CR-V continues to be a top contender in the compact SUV market, maintaining its status as one of the best-selling models in its class. The latest iteration introduces improvements, including a larger cabin and a quieter interior, even during acceleration, making it more comfortable for both daily commutes and long road trips. Under the hood, the CR-V is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine that produces 190 horsepower. This offers a balance of power and efficiency, making it suitable for both city driving and highway cruising. A key factor in the CR-V's success is its renowned reliability. The base model, priced around $32,000, includes a well-tuned suspension system that minimizes body roll and enhances ride comfort. The engine is designed for longevity, ensuring minimal wear and tear over time, making the CR-V a dependable choice for many years. Inside, the 2025 CR-V features a spacious, comfortable cabin with modern technology and user-friendly controls. Honda's commitment to safety is reflected in the standard Honda sensing features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These features enhance the overall driving experience and provide peace of mind for drivers and passengers. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 remains a top choice in the compact SUV segment, known for its reliability, efficiency, and practicality. Built to last, many owners keep theirs running well past 100,000 miles thanks to solid engineering and low maintenance costs. This year's model keeps its rugged design but drops the TRD off-road and adventure trims, signaling a shift from off-road variants. Still, it remains one of the fastest-selling SUVs in the US, according to CarEdge. Powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with 203 horsepower, the RAV4 delivers a balance of power and efficiency, making it a dependable choice for families and commuters. Fuel economy is a highlight, with the gasoline model achieving 30 to 35 miles per gallon combined, alongside hybrid and plug-in hybrid options like the RAV4 Prime. Inside, it offers a spacious, tech-friendly cabin with intuitive controls. Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus comes standard, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking for added peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share your thoughts down below, and subscribe for more Drive Safe.